already gonna cry.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No.
It's so bad. I need to tuck these in. These are gonna fly everywhere.
Oh my god.
Oh yes. The ride to happiness.
Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus, just crying.
Guys,
we've been here before.
Guys, I'm crying. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Yeah, that ride is special.
That right there is the best ride in the world. I get emotional every time I ride it. Ride to Happiness is #1 for me. That ride is amazing. It's actually something else. You need to get out here, get to Plopsaland De Panne and ride the Ride to Happiness. But yeah.